Are you ready to upgrade your laundry routine? Whether you're dealing with piles of clothes or looking for a machine that saves time and energy, we've got you covered. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best washers and dryers of 2025 packed with innovative features, exceptional efficiency, and reliability that will make your life easier. Don't miss out because one of these combos is a total game changer for any home. I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5. LG WashTower Laundry Center. A cutting-edge laundry solution that combines a 5.00 Q FT front-load washer with a 7.4 Cu FT gas dryer in a stacked design, making it ideal for saving space in compact laundry areas. This unit is currently priced at $20.99, down from its regular price of $2,999, saves a significant saving of $900. Features and benefits. Space-saving design. Its vertical configuration frees up valuable floor space, perfect for smaller laundry rooms. So, large washer capacity. Handles bulky items like bedding and towels with ease, ensuring thorough cleaning with efficient water use. Gas dryer. Offers faster drying times and energy efficiency compared to electric models. Smart features. The LG ThinQ app allows you to control and monitor the unit remotely, adding modern convenience. Turbo Wash TM 360. Technology. Cleans faster without sacrificing quality, saving time and energy. AI fabric sensors. Automatically adjust wash and dry settings based on fabric type and load weight for optimal care. Steam technology. Reduces wrinkles and odors, refreshing clothes effortlessly. This appliance is ideal for households looking for efficiency and advanced technology while conserving space. Its features make it especially appealing to tech-savvy users or those with high laundry demands. If space and convenience are priorities, this could be the best option for your home. However, consider the gas connection requirement before purchasing. Number 4. Electrolux Smartboost Washer and Dryer. One of the standout features is Smartboost technology, which pre-mixes detergent with water before it enters the drum, ensuring more effective cleaning while using less detergent and water. The predictive dry function in the dryer optimizes drying times by sensing moisture levels, preventing overdrying and preserving the quality of your clothes. Additionally, the 15-minute fast dry feature offers a quick drying solution for busy users, while the instant refresh cycle helps reduce wrinkles and odors without a full wash. With a spacious 4.4 Cu FT washer capacity and an 8.0 Q FT dryer, the set can handle large loads of laundry efficiently. In terms of price, the Electrolux Smartboost washer and dryer typically ranges from $1,700 to $2,000, depending on the retailer and promotions available. This washer and dryer set is a solid choice for those looking for high-efficiency performance and innovative features. It's particularly well-suited for busy households or individuals who want to save time and money while maintaining the longevity of their clothes. If you're after a reliable and energy-efficient laundry solution with advanced technology, this product could be an excellent investment. Number 3. GE UltraFresh Washer and Electric Dryer. Energy-efficient appliance perfect for modern households looking for a reliable laundry solution. This model features 4.8 Cu FT of capacity, offering ample space for large loads, and utilizes UltraFresh vent system with odor block (TM), ensuring fresh and clean clothes by preventing odor buildup. The washer also boasts Sanitize with Oxy, which effectively eliminates bacteria and allergens from your fabrics, keeping them clean and hygienic. Moreover, this appliance is Energy Star R certified, making it an eco-friendly choice for those looking to save on energy bills. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to control and monitor your laundry remotely via the GE Appliances app, adding convenience to your laundry routine. Priced at around $10.98, this washer and dryer combo offers great value considering its feature set and performance. It's perfect for anyone needing a smart space-saving solution with added features like smart detergent dispensing and the option to schedule laundry loads at any time. If you're looking for a washer and dryer combo that combines innovation with practicality, the GE UltraFresh washer and electric dryer is definitely worth considering. Whether you're tech-savvy or simply in need of a high-performing laundry machine, this appliance checks all the boxes. Number 2. Samsung Extra Large Washer and Dryer. The 5.5 CU washer allows for larger loads, making it perfect for big families or anyone looking to reduce the number of laundry cycles. It also features Super Speed Wash, which significantly reduces wash time while still ensuring clean results. The washer is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control the laundry remotely via the SmartThings app, adding convenience to your daily routine. The dryer, with its 7.4 CU capacity, is ideal for large loads and includes sensor dry technology, which automatically adjusts drying times to ensure clothes are thoroughly dried without overdrying. The Steam Sanitize Plus feature helps eliminate bacteria and wrinkles, making it a reliable option for sanitizing clothes as well as drying them. The price for this washer and dryer set typically hovers around $198, offering strong value for the features it provides. This set is an excellent choice if you're looking for high capacity, smart connectivity, and top-notch drying technology. For those who need an appliance with advanced features and greater convenience, this Samsung washer and dryer set is a great choice. However, if you don't need the additional features like Wi-Fi control or Steam Sanitize, there are more budget-friendly options available. For families or anyone with high laundry demands, though, this set offers excellent performance and convenience. Number 1. LG WM4000H Wash and LG Dlex 4000 Dryer. Designed with both efficiency and convenience in mind. The WM4000H is a 27-inch front-load washer featuring Turbo Wash TM 360 technology, which cleans larger loads in under 30 minutes, making it ideal for busy households. It also boasts Cold Wash TM technology for energy saving without compromising on cleaning power, while steam technology gently removes wrinkles and odors. This washer is equipped with AI fabric sensor, which automatically adjusts wash settings based on the fabric type, and SmartThin QR technology, allowing you to control and monitor your laundry remotely via a smartphone app. The DLX 4000 dryer complements the washer with AI Smart Pairing TM, which enables the washer to communicate with the dryer and select the appropriate drying cycle. The Turbo Steam TM feature refreshes garments in just 10 minutes, which is great for when you're in a hurry. This dryer also has a 7.4 CU capacity, perfect for handling large loads and bulky items. It incorporates smart Wi-Fi for remote monitoring and control, as well as Sensor Dry TM to automatically adjust drying time based on the load. As for pricing, the LG WM4000H washer typically retails around $1,000, while the DLX 4000 dryer is usually priced around $1,200, though prices can vary based on promotions and retailers. This washer and dryer set is an excellent choice if you prioritize high-tech features, fast wash cycles, and advanced fabric care. The combination of speed, efficiency, and ease of use makes it perfect for households with high laundry demands, especially those looking for smart, connected appliances.